Dear brothers and sisters, what if the very leaves you once avoided because of their bitterness suddenly became your favorite dish on the plate? Yes, that's the magic new spices can create, where science and flavor join forces to turn bitterness into delight. Whether it's medicinal herbs or wild forest leaves, they can now be consumed, and that too with pleasure. In today's video, we'll explore how food science and innovation can transform bitterness into sweetness, and open up a whole new path where health and taste go hand in hand. Welcome to Mission Viksit India! Greetings friends, our channel Mission Viksit India presents a unique innovative idea in every video, a step toward making India a fully developed nation by the year 2047. And today's video is no different. We bring you a bold new concept, spice innovation for world wellness. Please watch the video till the end and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. The Indian kitchen is not just a lab of taste, it is actually an ancient science lab. Every spice, every ingredient here is not just for taste, but also a tool for better health. Our ancestors, our sages, discovered the benefits of medicinal leaves like Neem, Giloy, bitter gourd, bringraj, and tulsi. They offered immense health advantages, but their taste, well, it was definitely bitter and sharp. And yet the genius of the Indian kitchen lies in how it found ways to make even the bitter taste delicious. How? By making the idea of innovation in flavor science a reality. Ginger and black pepper really help soften the bitterness of neem, and asafoetida, also called hing and cumin, make giloy so much easier to digest. Plus, a blend of turmeric, coriander, and chili can actually make even bitter gourd taste appealing. This is honestly the brilliance of India's traditional innovation. But today, when the population is booming and vegetables are just getting more expensive, the question arises, can we not include the leaves of other trees and plants in our daily meals, which are so far away from our kitchen and food plate? Can today's scientists, chemists, and food tech experts not create spice compositions that make these leaves tasty and digestible? Why not transform these bitter but medicinal leaves into delicious and flavorful leaves through new spice inventions? Just imagine, a startup that blends Giloy or tulsi leaves with special spices to create healthy teas, herbal soups, or even spicy Ayurvedic snacks. If we scientifically analyze and include other plant leaves in daily food, it won't just provide relief from inflation in India, but it can position India as a global leader in the wellness industry. This would be a true Indian innovation, where taste, health, and science merge, where the Indian kitchen becomes a spice innovation center, where every leaf doesn't just stay on a tree, but reaches our plates as nutrition. If we adopt innovation and research in this direction, India can become a global leader, not only in science and technology, but also in creating new spices and making kitchens healthier and more affordable. Let's work together to make India the world wellness leader. The goal of Mission Viksit India is to inspire students in schools and colleges and scientists involved in research and development to think about this innovative idea and, if possible, bring it to the research table and invent new spices. If you like this video, I humbly request you, please like it, share it, and subscribe to channel Mission Viksit India. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.